UK startup Wayve just raised $1.2 billion to scale its self-driving tech, with big names like SoftBank, Mercedes, and Microsoft joining in. They'll launch robotaxi trials this year, including a London pilot with Uber, aiming for level 4 driving in defined conditions. Wayve plans consumer features from 2027 and uses deep learning AI on cars and the cloud to expand globally without heavy map dependence.
ASML says its new high-NA EUV machines are production-ready after processing about 500,000 wafers. They can image much finer patterns and replace multiple manufacturing steps, speeding up advanced chip design. Uptime is about 80% now, aiming for 90% by year-end, but each machine costs roughly $400 million. Chip makers like TSMC and Intel will need 2 to 3 years to qualify and integrate them, but this kickstarts the next phase of AI chips. Google just upgraded its image, AI, meet Nano Banana 2, aka Gemini 3.1 flash image. It taps live web info to make more photorealistic images with richer textures, sharper details, and better lighting. Key wins: steadier likenesses, tighter instruction following, text-on-image support, translations in sizes up to 4K. It replaces Nano Banana Pro across Gemini tiers, adds a Synth ID watermark for AI images, and powers tools like Search, Lens, and Flow.
Meet Arena, a live testing ground that puts finance AI agents into messy, real-world workflows. It feeds agents incomplete or conflicting info and records full reasoning so teams can see exactly where they fail. Banks and investors are already on board. Arena helps move from isolated pilots to repeatable, auditable deployments. By spotlighting logic traces and reliability, Arena aims to cut regulatory risk and make agentic AI production ready.
A new AI tool, Claude Code, says it can speed up COBOL modernization, and the market reacted hard. IBM shares plunged after investors feared I could cut into big legacy consulting fees tied to mainframes. IBM pushed back, noting mainframes offer more than just code. They bring performance, security, and full stacks. The moment shows how every AI advance forces a rethink. Will tools replace or speed up old services? The answer is still unclear.
ServiceNow just launched autonomous workforce AI specialists that do whole entry-level job roles, not just tasks. Its first specialist, L1 Service Desk AI, can detect, diagnose, and fix IT incidents using company knowledge and past data. This promises 24/7 AI coworkers, but companies will need clean data, engineering support, and careful tuning to avoid mistakes. ServiceNow also added Employee Works for chat-based search. A sign SaaS vendors are racing to build workflow-aware AI despite real-world hurdles.